Well, hello there, friends. What are my favorite chicken today? Chicken curry. I'm going to show you exactly how to make it. We're going to make it from scratch. Remember, thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell. Stay tuned, friend. We're doing chicken curry together. Okay, friends, today I'm going to make you one of my favorite chicken. I got a lot of chicken that I love, but this is one of my favorite. Chicken curry. Curry, I'm going to make my own curry. You know, there's a lot of curry out there. I don't care where you go in the world, different part of the India, I don't care where it is. Everybody got their different recipe. Every family's got a different recipe. There's no one right curry. The right curry is your curry. The right curry for me is my curry. It's very simple. I'm going to show you how to make it. No big deal. You can make it or you can buy a good curry. It's no big deal. It's really up to you. You know, curry is kind of like Italian seasoning, right? Yeah, your grandmother had a different seasoning than my other grandmother. And everybody had a different seasoning, and they call it Italian seasoning. Same deal with the curry. Okay? It depends where you come from, different curry. So I don't want to hear, this is not how you do curry. That's how we do my curry. All right? So here we go, friends. We're going to saute some chicken. I got 1.5 pounds of chicken breast, then boneless and skinless chicken breast that I'm going to saute, and I'm using a garlic olive oil. I'm going to let this go on, and then I'm going to go make the curry. Okay, I'm going to let it go on, and I'm going to go get and make the curry. So, to make the curry, this is my curry right there, friends. You see? This is my curry right there. This is what I make right there. Look at that. Very simple to make, friends. You can make it from, like I said, or you can buy it. It's really up to you. It's amazing, though, the smell when you make it your own curry. And what I do is I like to saute my spices first. I got my cumin, especially the cumin. The cumin is the most fragrant of all of it. The coriander and the mustard seed. And I saute them in a pan. You see, I saute them. I got them, if you were here right now, you wouldn't believe it, the smell that I get out of this. It's amazing. Right? And I take it, I put them in a coffee grinder. And a coffee grinder, you think I'm going to put some on the side? Look at this. I should do this for a living, huh? Now, you got to let them cool, my friends. After you're done with this, you got to let them cool. Everyone check it. Let me make sure the chicken is good. It's good. You gotta let them cool. You don't want them to be moist when you grind them. Okay. Then we're gonna put some ginger in there. I'll give you the exact recipe underneath the video. Click on Show More, and you'll have a link to our website for the free recipe. Otherwise, you can get it on our website, chefjp.com or chefjeanpierre.com. It'll be a complete recipe, free. Don't worry about it. Kashmiri pepper, red pepper, not too spicy. Turmeric. Turmeric is gonna give us a beautiful color. And red chili flakes. You can use whatever you want in there, really. It's up to you. And we're going to grind it up, and we're going to get a curry. I promise you, you make it your own one time, you're not going to believe how easy it is to make and how much more fun you can have doing it. Oh, like I say, you can buy it. There's a lot of places that have beautiful curry, yeah? Look. Come to Papa. Yeah, by the way, that coffee grinder, I can't use it for nothing else, eh? Look at this. Look at this. You see? Right there, my friends. This is the curry. Right there. And, oh, mamma mia. The smell. I don't think the Indians say mamma mia, but that's okay. Look. All right, let me go back to my chicken, okay, friends? There you go. Now, let me go to my mise en place. I got a very simple mise en place, friends. Very simple mise en place, okay? Like I said, I like to use the chicken breast, boneless and skinless. Use whatever makes you happy, eh? There's no right or wrong here. Also, some people like to use the dark meat with a skin. Hey, if that's what they like, that's what they should use. There ain't nobody telling you, oh, no, it's not supposed to be that way. The people didn't do that, mamma mia. Look, red onion. Why red onion? Because red onion are perfect for stir fry. They don't require that much cooking. They don't require that much cooking at all. They don't really need to be caramelized like a regular onion. And since onion is always number one, except this time it's number two. But that's okay with the chicken. I don't need to caramelize those onions right there, friends. Okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to We're going to saute everybody. Everybody. I'm talking about my ingredient. I'm talking about everybody. I'm telling you. And all we're going to do is we're going to get our separate color. And then we're going to put the rest of the ingredients, friends. The rest of the ingredients, very simple. I got sweet potatoes. Then I cut in little pieces. They're going to cook really, really quick, the sweet potato, because they're small. You see, not like a regular potato. They cook a lot faster, right? So we're going to put them in there. Believe it or not, friends, this is only one potato. And I got 1.5 pounds of chicken, 1 sweet potatoes. So far, you have to admit, I don't do anything complicated, eh? Bell peppers. I just cut the bell peppers in julienne, and I cut my julienne in half, so I got little pieces. Stir fry. You got to be able to eat it with a fork without going in there and cutting anything, right? Now, the oil I'm using, like I said, is the roasted garlic olive oil, but I'm also going to put a little bit of dark toasted sesame oil. Dark toasted sesame oil. Now, those oil, as wonderful as they are, they don't have a very high smoke point. So I don't have to put them at the beginning, otherwise it'll burn. It's mostly for flavor. So we're going to put a little bit of the toasted sesame oil. Now, you know there's a lot of curry out there where you can put coconut milk. You can put coconut milk with this one too if you wanted to. There'll be nothing wrong with this. So now, what I like to do, friends, is I like to take my curry and saute it. So as I go, I like to saute it and create the nice crust on my chicken with it. So I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of my curry. I'm going to put it right on there, just like this. And then we're going to see if we need more. You notice I normally never measure nothing, right? But this time I'm measuring because I want to make sure you get it right. Of course, it's all going to depend on the curry you're using, my friend. You know, it's all going to depend on the curry you're using. All right? Now, I'm using a wok because I got one and I love this wok. What I love about this wok, friends, it's a non-stick wok. It's made by that company called Wall, but it's got a hot plate in the bottom. Can't see it underneath, but take my word for it. It's got a hot plate underneath, and it works great for electric. So if you have electric, you want to walk with a hot plate, then it's flat. Otherwise, it doesn't work. You see? So look at the color we got, friends. You see, we're starting to get some nice color, right? So now, let's put some flavoring in there. I'm going to put some ginger. I'm going to grate the ginger with a microplane grater. If you don't have one of those a tool right there, friends, just take your ginger, cut it against the grain. You know what? I'll show you real quick. In case you don't have one of those, friends, because you may not have a microplane grater. So you take your ginger, cut it against the grain, right? So now the grain is going up and down, right? Then take your knife right there. I hope Jack is going to get all that. And look, you see? You actually pulverize. See, look. You pulverize your ginger because you don't want a big piece of ginger in there, you see? And voila, you see? You got ginger in there. All right, friends? You do the same thing with a garlic, you know? So, see, I'm putting this toward the end, friends, because, let me get a spoon, because I don't want to burn my garlic, nor do I want to burn my ginger. Ginger is more sturdy. It's difficult to burn, really. But the garlic, very easy to burn, eh? So, it smells amazing. I promise you, friend, this smells already amazing. Do we have everything? Oh, I put a cashew in there. You don't have to put cashew in there. I like them. I like the cashew in there as a texture, extra texture. You could put broccoli in there too. You could put snap pea in there, snow peas. I mean, you can put a bunch of stuff in there and have fun. But remember, if you're going to put a broccoli, what do you got to do? You got to cook them first. Boiling water. Cold water, they're ready to go at the last minute, just add them in there. Don't be putting no raw broccoli in there. A little bit of cashew, you don't have to put the cashew in there. I put them in there because I like them. I like the texture of it, you see? Now, we're looking good, right? But now, my friends, we're going to make a sauce. Chicken stock. We're doing a chicken dish, right? Chicken stock. Here you go. Right there. Here you go, my friends. Voila, we got a sauce. How much you put in, that's really up to you. I don't know about you, but I like a lot of sauce. And this, my friend, is one of the easiest dinner you'll ever make. And we're going to serve this with a cilantro rice. I made a rice video that I released a couple of months ago. A lot of you have enjoyed it. You see, let's put a little more stock. What do you think? Just a little more, because I like a lot of sauce. But now I'm going to make it into a sauce, friends. I'm going to make it into a sauce. And how do you make it into a sauce? Very simple, friends. Very, very simple, my friends. You make it into a sauce. You take it a cornstarch, mix it with the water. Cornstarch, mix it with the water. Now, you know, I made a roux the other day, and people say, well, why can't you use your roux? This kind of cuisine, it's best to use a cornstarch, a thickener, right? A little bit of cornstarch, and let's see what happens. We don't want to add too much, but we want to add enough so we have a nice texture, my friends. You see, look, I wanted to coat. I wanted the sauce. Look at this. Look at this. You see? I wanted the, friends, I want the sauce to coat the chicken. You see, so when I grab the chicken, there is sauce on it. That's the whole idea about texture. A little bit more. Ooh la la. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Here we go. Now, what else do we do? How about a little bit of cilantro? Chop cilantro. You don't like cilantro? Don't put it in there. It's really that simple. Huh? You don't like it? Don't put it in. There's no reason to put something you don't like in a dish, right? Parsley would be great in there. Basil would be nothing wrong with putting basil in there. Look at this. Look at this. Do you like it? Look at this. I love it. Mamma mia, forgot a plate. I need a plate. Oh, look at this. Right there, the plate appeared magically. Look at this, guys. We're gonna put in this rice right there, I put a little bit of cilantro in there, because obviously the cilantro is the flavor of the day. But look how beautiful that looks. Do you like it? Look at this, my friend. This is a flavorful, gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at this. Remember, food's got to look good to taste good, my friend. You know what would be good also in there? To put is little chopped sesame seed. I'll have to do it later. After I'm gonna do that. It'll come there. You'll see them. Toasted sesame seed would be fabulous in there. Give us a little extra texture. Let me test it to make sure it's good. Because if it's no good, I'm not giving it to you. Look at this, eh? Is that gorgeous? This is a beautiful, beautiful color. See, a little. That was only 1 tablespoon of the curry. Mamma mia. You know, I need to go back to cooking school. What I forget? Salt. I'm like, hello? Oh, mamma mia. It's a good thing I was not feeding you, my friends. You see, I always forget something. I always forget something. Salt. How could I have forgotten salt? Well, this right there, I'm not eating. Friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the great support. Thanks for the great comment. You guys make comments that are just unbelievable. I try to read all of them. It's really amazing what you guys write. Thank you for the support. Please, thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We need subscribe and ring that bell. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next couple of days with another fantastic video.